on to Zone 6, we have camera designed for wide area monitoring and active deterrence. Here you can see our AV Costa lineup. As you know, in 2023, we IDIS acquired America system integrator Costa Technology, including all their subsidiaries like Arcant Vision. And now Costa lineup can be IDIS lineup. So we are expanding our business and lineup as well. And you can see our 32 megapixel multi-image camera and 20 megapixel multi-image camera as well. This camera only require a single LAN cable for installation, making them incredibly time and effort saving for users. They are highly user-friendly and efficient. Next, we have the panoramic camera, a 2-channel stitching model that provides a seamless panoramic view with no loss of resolution. It's an excellent solution for wide area monitoring, helping you save cost and space. And lastly, I would like to introduce our active deterrence camera. We have PTZ type and turret type. And this camera can deliver voice message and strobe alarm. As you can see, blue and red lights are available. So this camera not only recording video, but also performing deterrence function to prevent accidents and crimes. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to meet you to deliver innovative and reliable solution tailored to your needs. Thank you.